All right, guys, so we've already gone through the 30 minutes of raising here on the counter. So now we're going to the second rise. So we just let it rise on the counter. And like I said, I use this flour sack towel. And I already sprinkled the dough. So now we're gonna shape it one more time. So, all right. So now it says, after the dough has rested, flip it over again. The smooth side, this side is gonna go down. And I want you to see, in the 30 minutes that it sat on the counter, it got puffy and it raised a little bit. It didn't double in size though, because we don't want that. You don't want that with the sourdough. So we're gonna flip it over. There's already some flour on the counter, but you can see it's actually kind of bigger. So we're gonna do the same thing we did. We're gonna shape the dough again. And like I said, you're gonna turn it. As you are actually doing this, you can feel the dough is getting more elastic and you're adding air into it. So, let's see. And shape it again, doing the follow steps. Okay. So that's what we're doing. So, I'm gonna flip it back over. And look at that. Just kind of shaping it again. And then place the dough in the lined bowl. So we flipped it over. The smooth side is up. And I'm looking at it and I'm already beginning to see pockets of air bubbles, which is perfect. That's perfect for this dough. So it's nice and tight, nice and shaped. Pick it up with the scraper. That's the bottom side. We're gonna put the smooth side up. And I'm putting it, move the bowl over. So here's the bowl. And I said, remember I said, this is just a flour sack towel. I had already sprinkled some flour in it. We're just gonna set it in the bowl, just like that. Cover the bowl over. Okay, so here's this. Nothing special. There's no, it's not wet, nothing crazy. I'm gonna open up my cover that I do all my proofing in, and that's where I'm gonna put it. And it's going to sit in there. I'm gonna put it in there for an hour and see what it does. And then we'll move on to the next process. So thanks for tuning in. God bless you.